Deliveries. James, I think this is for you. What do you got here?
Well, I think they're the new Tread by Everlane. Yeah, look at this. Okay. Yeah, Tread by Everlane. They're the new sort of sustainable sneaker by Everlane, who we featured, I don't know, when was that? I don't know,
Couple of months ago.
Yeah, a couple of months ago. I chose navy, I chose grey, but I think I wanted to choose navy actually. They feel good. They feel good. Let me have a look. What do you think of the colour?
I like it.
Do you like it?
I'm a fan.
I don't know, I should have just gone navy, I think. Let's have a look. I mean, they feel good.
What do they cost?
I don't know, 98 US or...
So like 150 Aussie, I think it is.
I remember what we paid for them. Oh, they're a bit small. Oh, what size? So I ordered size 9. I reckon they're running a little bit. A little bit small. I mean, I'm Nike US size 9. These are running a little bit small.
Let's get a closer.
They're too small. Fuck. Let's have a look. What do you reckon?
On foot.
They look alright. What do you think?
I like them. I reckon
They look good, but they're running small. I'd recommend going half a size, if not a full size up. Because they're 9 US, but these are, nah, they're too small. God damn it. Anyway, they feel great. I'm not gonna wear them because they're too small, but they look good, they feel great.
What's the big selling point on these?
I think it's the sustainability, as most Everlane stuff is. So that's certainly what drew me in. I also love that there's no branding at all. I think that looks epic. Simple, nice, clean aesthetic. I reckon give them a go. Unfortunately, I won't be giving these a go, but they look great.